Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding widget selection in Odoo. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 15 community edition where we are continuing our Odoo 15 development tutorial. So in this video we will be discussing about the widget selection that can be used along with many to one field in Odoo. So currently in the screen you are seeing the tree view of appointments. So if I open any of the appointment and if I click on edit, here you can see we have got a many to one field of patient, that is hospital dot patient, and from here I can select any of the patients. We have the options like search more, etc. And also if I type some test name that is non-existent, we can create it directly from here. So in order to change the look and feel of a many to one similar to a selection field, we can use the widget selection. So I'll click on the debugger button and I'll click on edit view form, and here you can see we have got field patient ID. So along with that field I will add widget equal to selection, widget equal to selection, and I will click on save button. And if I refresh, you will see the many to one field will be getting changed to similar to a selection field in Odoo. So if I click on edit, here you can see we have it's look like a selection field. There is no option to manually type or something. We can only select from the available records. So if I select watermelon and if I click on save, there is no option to click and open. We don't have the click and open. Also we don't have the options like this. We don't have option like open here. We can only select. There is no option to search, just we can select from the available records. So this is the working of selection widget in Odoo. So along with your field definition, so I'll go to the appointment in the code. Here you have the patient ID. Simply along with your many to one field, just add widget equal to selection so that the field will be looking like a selection field in Odoo. So that's it for the video. If you have any doubts, feedbacks, or suggestions, don't hesitate to share with us over the email, that is odoomates@gmail.com, and feel free to connect us in social medias like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.